Hidden character shit. Yeah. Yo, been collecting chips, trying to get my dollars straight, get my ass up out the hood, need my money fast, get 200 on the dash. 7 Series BM, yo, I'm busting off the seal, beaming off the drink, shorty rolling on the pill. 100 on the deals, and yo, the weapons stay concealed. Flipping letters in the fucking kitchen. Yeah, these is $1 million whippings. The work make a nigga do the diddy bop. Ropes of the rock in the cleavage make a titty pop. Semi-cock serving up a jug like a nigga should. I'm into making dollars, wanna make that understood. Shit. Yeah, divide the paper with the fam. Clean by the grams. Shifted in position, getting rich, part of the plan. Yeah.
Yo, ok, soporta. Rompiendo el frío, volvió el que impacta, comporta. Los diablos míos no roncan. En los suburbios te tocan. Una foto en el t-shirt es como te recuerdan. No hay nadie nuevo, siempre somos los mismos. Los mismos que ganamos, ustedes en egoísmo. Siente el despegue del abismo, con otro magitismo. Es imposible que me llegue, soy otro espiritismo. Esto es cultura, droga, papi, con otro carisma. Somos distintos a quien le mete a los que parten los ritmos. Ya te quité la máscara, se nota el realismo. El boxer con la chilla, se te ve el egoísmo.
Hidden character. Yo. Yo. I ain't new to this, bitch, I'm true to this. I maneuver hoe, no Hoover crib. Bust a 6 deuce to a quarter brick. When I'm on the stove, what's the water whip? I call them folks up, watch you fold up. 30 Papa got him when I up the grip. G'd up from the feed up, never switched up. Oh, I love the 6. Fuck a deuce, that's a no. Up on the 40, turn me to an animal. Cop killers that'll pop a vessel, break a nigga down to a decimal. Meet the plug, I'm a kid streets, running up a check, I'm talking vertical. Hot heads that'll bust a pipe, if you slam a rake, shit get critical. I caught the F and L with a trigger job, 5-7 shot to make a body bend. Running up the truck, 30s in the Glock, so it's face shots when I corner spin. All the shit like a pothead, gangbang it turn me to a blockhead. I keep a pistol on me with a chopstick, one fall smooth and we chop shit. No track queen, but I bake the pie, slide up on me, homie, that's a homicide. Switching on the gang, that's a suicide. I pull up on your block and let the 40 fly. Work in the pot, I call it Instagram, breaking down the brick, I'm talking Instagram. Fast snapping pictures like a flipagram, just to get a bag, I had a flipagram. I'm a boss nigga, fuck a middleman. Slide the doors open on the rental van. No capping, homie, really whack shit. Packing 50 drumming that Mac, bitch, go flip back. See you later, nigga, now it's back to work and got it. Hey. Fuck, I outlaw them niggas hoes though. Big G's on me when I crack goes. When I line them up, the K and slap them out. Watch their body dry like some dominoes. This is on the mob, you can die slow. Yo, hey, check it, I ain't even done yet. I'm from that north side, bitch, that money gang. 9 line to the 7 dub. I beat a nigga like a 30 rug. Watch his frame crack when that shotty bust. Show me love or give me slugs. Pop a pill, I let her buzz. No high step when we gang bang. Niggas turn bitch when that thing swing. Cut your op black in that morning sun. We gon' put his ass on that morning run. Love the pikes, I need more than one. 2 twin revolvers, call me Jesse James. Let down the window, then I up the flame. Already brought the max out. Big bag on me, brought the racks out. In the kitchen whipping, trying to cash out. Get your ops slip, that Glock hit him. Put shots on him, then I mash out. We ain't ducking shit, boy, we up and shit. I let the hammer slam on that primer, nigga. Drink a fib when I load the fifth. I put the fire on him like a lighter, nigga. Used to gang bang on them trade blocks. Cobble Hills to the avenue. If you hit the benches, then we serving you. Go to pizza sitting on the nightstand. Beat the pot up whipping with my right hand. Scrape that bowl, I stretch her like a rubber band. Trap the brim, I'm on it till I meet the man. Watch him serve a pitcher, fuck a underhand. 30 pop, I shoot it till I break my hand.
I love ever take sides with anyone against the family again.
Yeah, fuck yeah, let's talk about man. Come on, always saying some shit. Let's go. Fuck. Alright, let's go. Let's show a lot shit, man. Fuck we at with it, y'all talking to, man. Come on. Yeah, fuck your life up in the day. Sliding with the bitch you wiped up, she excited off the yay. Off the grid, I don't often play. Play your part the hardest for some. I'm an artist, keep the Dutch in my lungs. Running from low funds, I can't slow up, blow up your car. I see the future like I'm far-sighted, Palm Pilot. A calm night turned wicked, the crib was too silent. Why I keep the business all private, trying to change climates. Staying silent, stay away from the sirens. Need my wrist rocky, spin you like a disc jockey. Pretend you sticking with me to the bitter end. Copy, shorty suck a nigga sloppy like I'm somebody. My hood bitch keep a razor on the tongue probably. They drop it off, I pick it up. How you give it up? Simple. Triple R shit, man. Don't make it complicated. Swag.
I make her suck my dick, nut up in her upper lip. Take a flick, send her kick her out in a Uber whip. Ruger with the ruler hit. 100 if you need a fix. Shotty with a body, bump this noggin with a pistol grip. And why double N shit? I made double S. Known us for the tag like a ref. Put it on the set. Fetty pressing pills, heading for the hills. Pot over the stove, yo, I'm chefing up a meal. The kids gotta eat, my mama need a house. A lot of niggas doubted, now they quiet like a mouse. Standing with their hands out, begging for the funds. Better move around, shit get hectic in the slums. Yo, the Mac go 3 shots popping, hit your cantaloupe. 30 in a 40-minute, turning to an animal. Pop a tab of cig, got me moving like I'm digital. You niggas talk a lot, man, I'm tired of the fictional, medicinal, the weed that I'm smoking on, choking on.
Thehiddencharacter, man, you already know what the fuck going on.
You're my older brother, and I love you.
This is me, alright? I'm not a fucking athlete. This is my fucking work. This is how I work.
Ay, line you, lie but not true clip. Slide through, slide my nuke, get shit too quick. Get your shooter hit. Shotty type dope, you make a movie with it. With the stupid shit, sticks in the hoop, tenant. Let the little homie go loony with it, no telling who we hit it. Who you kidding, Luke with the Louis vintage, bougie bitches. With the cake like Betty Crocker on the back, need a hit. Easy 700 V2s, we get mad at game fit. Green snip, leave a fiend with lockjaw. We rock world, pray this beat shit. Dark web, credit card numbers need 20 packs this summer. More dough than I know what to do with word to mother. Burn the plug with all counterfeit hunters, tell them come find me. Prepared for my untimely, don't get done grimy. It's for my crimes, Times Square, selling 2 grams of white for 190.
Yo, Mac over the shoulder with the shoestring. Dollar chasing money, need 100s with the blue strips. 50 in the Glock for the niggas with the loose lips. Mobbing with some killers, get your head up like a mob boss. Front and get your head bust. K-clap, arm legs, face lost. Napalm, bomb and get your team tossed. Beaming off the clean sun, face numb, face numb. Yo, return you to your maker like a refund. You hustle with your hands on like a street bomb. Slide down, Mac on me, coolin' with the air hose. I pull up, then I air those. Gangsters in my set, bitch, I ain't fucking with no weirdos. Friends turn to enemies and enemies to corpse. Dissing on the mob and you won't make it to the courts. Now it's back to this trap shit. Fiends on that glass dick. 4 kids, straight drop, I whip it till it turn rock. Quarters turn to half and a half to a key. I'm a menace with the pot, watch me bubble it to G's. I can give and go to you and you can slide it to your man. Say yo, say yo, say yo, say yo.
No matter what we call error, it's gonna get sold. You know why? As a fiend, you gonna chase that shit no matter what.
Thehiddencharacter. Yo. K up on me with the shoulder strap. Fire crack like a jumping jack. Beat a pot, I'm till it come back. Bitch, I been the block until the gun jam. Big 6 up on me when I hit the scene. 30 pop, I tuck it by the spleen. Suppressor on it, you won't hear a thing. Fire on it till it's bubbling. I got a hockey stick for that slap shot. Pull a foe in that rap rock. Chop a drummer, hold 100 round. Big rakes on me when I come around. That north side, mobbing out of town. From Murder Master down to Anwar. Slam a rake, I let the shells fly. Got FedEx pay to let them bells buy. Them killers with me, let the foe slap. Folding stuff on that Big Mac. Slide up on me, get your shit cracked. Got bomb first, fuck a get back. That 40 clap, you need a shit bag. Run it up, I'm talking big racks. Dissing on me, get your life took. My gun work, fuck a right hook. Fuck a right hook, fuck a right hook.
It's crazy. We the worst.
The product so potent, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Chop every rocket, I'm serving a bean. You go as K-fold and stock with a beam. 40 the Glock, told it right by the spleen. The product so potent, you know what I mean. Chop every rocket, I'm serving a beam. You go as K-fold and stock with a beam. 40 the Glock, told it right by the spleen. Yeah. Serving jugs out the window. Air fans with extendos. I fix a nigga, shit is simple. Beat a op with the pipe on. Right hooking like I'm Tyson. Track clicking like a cell phone. Chop it up, I get the bells gone. Strap on me like a Velcro. Quarter piece, make the pot jump. Fiends come short, they get their head lump. I don't play no games, I'm on the money move. Flick my wrist, I get up in my money groove. Bitch, I'm always winning, I can never lose. Big rakes on me, G, I'm banging blue. Get your nose white like a runny nose. 40 on me, make a tummy fold. The product so potent, you know what I mean. Chop every rocket, I'm serving a beam. You go as K-fold and stock with a beam. 40 the Glock, told it right by the spleen. The product so potent, you know what I mean. Chop every rocket, I'm serving a beam. You go as K-fold and stock with a beam. 40 the Glock, told it right by the spleen.
God dang.
That's a bonus right there. Make sure you listen that you will never Thanks, man.
Yeah, hidden characters.
Hidden character. Hidden character.
Pop beater, fixing affliction up on the opposition, whipping a quick fix. Super shorty, upper body, 12 gauge shotty. Went from gang to bring banging. Your man's changing, peace slanging. I'm rearranging a new message. The adolescence, I am the answers to all my questions. Like captivate the mind while you're sideline watching. Flying down clocking, pistol pocket rocket, plotting my next move. Finger fuck the Nina till it click bruise. Pop a collar, big dollars. I hit on plenty holes. I rock the Prada, who hot as I let the semi blow. I call the shot as they ride up. I pack a proper pole. The pistol fire smoke and I tell them I
Really on the block, 9 to 5 in the streets up to no good. Yeah, it's trying to make $1, yeah. To feed the fam just like niggas should. Yeah, I really keep the block. Niggas acting up, oh, that's understood. Yeah. Trying to get mine, staying on the grind, yeah. Make it out the hood, yeah. Hey, yeah, son. Man, y'all, man, dog, dig up his own grave, y'all. Shorty whip smell like she's covered in mango. We just tryna get rich as far as the gang go. How many joints could you handle? The grams, get up to the grand go. Sending the city crib and sent to Domingo. Sunrise, pop the clip and get rid of the dumb guy. Smoke till my lungs fire, summer high. Holding my niggas closer, knowing the summer die before me. So then I'm with the bitches in the telly, having an orgy. Sipping Fredericks Savard, not 40s. Nigga, your whole style popcorny. I'm liver than any rapper that's in your top 40. Felt like I'm in a Tupac story. Glory. Hold the coffee, took call from the body on. Yeah, son, shit phenomenal. Montclair shit got me feeling abominable. Fuck the bitch, tighten up the abdominal. Minister Falcon in front of the nation, I'm the most honorable. Yeah, the coach, water solid, nigga.
Hello, America. Did you miss me? I am Satan's destroyer. I am the eternal flame of salvation burning through your life, your liberty, and your pursuit of fucking happiness. I suggest you get ready to burn, motherfucker.
Oh no! Oh no!
Bullseye rapper, he take electric and practice. Don't make me lift up my ratchet. I'ma drop some bullets off, make subtraction. That's everlasting. They gon' send me to the island, no statin. I'm at, might see me masturbating, Mossbergs in traffic. You fucked up. I'm like juvenile family, back it up. I rap for bloods on my criminal record stacking up. We wrap you up in the carpet and throw you back a truck stalker. I smoke you fast. I take a long shot, left him leaking on side of his balls. Block off the top, let it off a lot. I'm lawless, I might blow the horn. You was born to drop. Imported stocks, we importing on every corner and block. I never stop, I'm like Puffy Combs, how I diddy bop. Your shit is yak, I'm moving yak in front of city cops. Riddle me not, I move riddling, get rid of the bigger rock, the work legit. I shot niggas, they'll never lift, let the ballistics begin.
G-body in the flesh of what you won't understand. I give a holler to the folks that's still locked in the can. Shake, block, break bands when I'm on this the plan. F&M 5-7, lift them out of his pants. I'm shooting babies out of strollers if I'm caught up in the gym. You niggas know me, don't provoke me, kill your mom for them grams. A problem with this rap shit when the paper meets the pen. A lot of niggas gon' get folded when my brother out the pen. I spit the truth when I'm rapping. Oh, I never told a lie. And if they speaking on my name, watch how the fucking shells fly. Chunk of G and a D. Big L's when them folks talk. I shot full time, that's why I walk with a lean. Sliding traffic, heavy metal, I tow pipes with the beam. Big Glock with a suppressor, better silence the screams. I hit the Yola with the soda, I'm back to whipping the cream. I'm on a block with a twist, back to serving these fiends. AR 223s of them 762. I knock a nigga out his shoes, I've been mobbing like a fool. Fuck out of here, fuck out of here, fuck out of here.
Just another lost soul, searching for forgiveness in this wicked, wicked world.
Yeah, hopped in the streets, toting the heat. Caught a rope with the weed. Streets ducking from police shots, popping out the Mac. We make it harder to breathe. Gone with the breeze, sliding the coupe, jumping the roof. I'm hungry, hunting for a victim, trying to get me some food. Word their mother got gunners, 50 shot techs and them drummers. We kill shit. Get your motherfucking wig split, hit stick, moving the rock, beating the pot, 100 a watt. Hit bitches, make them leak, then I'm shaking the spot. 50 the shot. Hey yo, I put a beam on the Glock. My shorty cinnamon roll skin thicker than swollen. I beat them, then fold them.
Yeah. Bally boot the trachea, shoot. Non-negotiable malice, the pack from Prince of Arabia. Ladies flashing they labia, stain the stadium. Polo, home of the Renaissance. It's Leonard, ain't Arcadia. Divide profit and reinvest till the seeds are eaten. Young and nice down a gold medallion of Jesus weeping. We up till the fiends are geeking, the trees are vegan. Why you always gotta brew this out when Caesar speaking? Treason. Shoebox of chicken stacking tender. Pocket full of fingers, tip the vendors, Mrs. Slender. Blissful splendor, I never said she sharp. She sniffed the splendor out of packet for the resin spark. Damn, one pull for one whole grand. This is Shay Davis, man, my gun go bland. Piece the hidden characters, my son go hand. Ain't no pork on my fork, less that bitch sworn in. You heard? Word.
What's the word?
Hey yo, get real precise with it. You heard? Yo. Flicking ashes on the top of the stove. Whipping work till my palms bruise out for the dough. Yo, fingers fidgeting, you listening. Thinking about them dividends, my title be the infamous. Chopper make them sing like Minnie Rippleton. Get you murdered for the love of the cash. Put them beams on your ride, slam your brains on the dash. I used to gang bang, twist my fingers for beef. hoes I provoke, put my dick on the teeth. My youngest bugging for the clout, catch a slug for the free. Ready jumping out the press, make a fiend go to sleep. If you ain't fucking with my brothers, then I'm taxing the fee. What you need, got the raw for the cheap. X pills, dope, weed, and them pipes of the lean. Kia coke in the mail, have it shipped in a week. Gang of hoes in the case of the clique. Money rolls from my pocket, muzzle on the rocket. I'm plotting to make a meal. Who copping? I need a deal. Hand in hand, I ship the coke like it's hot potatoes. You cats live in the fable. The members all on my table. The sable, I'm ducking dodgy D's. I'm styling, yo. But the shit is not for free. Crushing down them poppy seeds. Overseas, poppy squeeze. The Mac go bling. See you later, perpetrator. You the type to go to jail for a petty cake or steady paper. I hustle trying to get mine. Fuck the shine, I need my chips on time. Word is born if it's on in the song. Shit, fuck I'm talking about, man. Yeah. Hit a character. Check. Hey yo, I hopped off the porch, I've been banging since a jit. Full pen on my hip, hunting for an op that I can split. See, I be moving with precision like the army. It's on me, ho, I stay strapped up just like a car seat. Listen, nigga, pay attention, I'm whipping up a baby like he misbehaving. Money is the mission, I get it off the pavement. Cops come me running, I ain't giving up no statements. That's lame shit, these goofies acting like they bout it. Never on they block, boy, these niggas stayin' hiding. I'm sliding when I clutch a pipe, ooh, that's a scary sight. Plugged in with the mob, bitch, you know I'm on my job. Never stress a bird, boy, I keep him by the flock. Double for the chop, 100-round drummer, finna turn your brain to slop. If you run up, try to rob, you get left right where you stand. 50 for the Glock, I shoot it till I break my hand. Bitches know up in the man, in the kitchen whipping grams. Recipe from Grams, I'm a chemist with the pot, I turn a quarter to a yam.
The fuck y'all talking about, man? Y'all live like Gusto. Know what I mean? Stoop shit.
One's for my young boys, 2 for the gun, 3's for the slug that'll leave a nigga slump. Beanie cat, body bag, 4-5 in the trunk. Mac busting off the top, them bullets sounding like a drum. Fast pace and slow mo, my youngest knocking at your door. Hammers loaded to the top, we making bodies hit the floor. Them boys wildin' profiling, niggas acting violence. My niggas moving silent, lamping in the islands. Bodies by the limb, beach snapping in the sin. You cowards victims to the plan. Slugs from the shotty finna stretch a nigga frame. I keep money on my brain, murder on my conscience. Killing these beats, I deserve a fucking contract.
Chill. It's enough.